Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will be teaching you guys how to use $2 and $4 to make a profit of $10. You could see there, looking at the market, I think the market there is more of a bearish market because Bitcoin has been falling for the past 1 hour and it has good support lines there. So Bitcoin is currently falling and it hasn't gotten to a good adequate support lines. So this is a more better opportunity for us to place our trade downwards. So let's wait for the counter to reset and give us 33 seconds to analyze the market and place a trade. That is it, guys. We have less than 33 seconds to analyze and place a trade. Like I said, the market is more bearish and it is going downwards. It would be wise to consider all these facts for less than 20 seconds and make a very good wise decision. I'll be placing a trade down knowing fully well that the market is a more bearish market and it hasn't gotten to an adequate support line there. So let's take the trade for $2 first, and if we have this trade, we'll add the profit to our initial trading capital, which is $2. So the profit, which is $2, to this $2 will make it $4. So let's change it to $4 and await the result of our initial trade. We have less than 18 seconds to wait for our result and see. You can see that the market is still falling. Okay, we keep putting. We have less than 7 seconds, and I think the market, yes, is in our favor now. We have another less than 33 seconds to make a wise move. We've changed our trading capital to 4. You can see the support lines there. It shows that Bitcoin will still fall. Now, having analyzed the market, I will increase my trading capital from $2 to $4. That is my trading capital plus in addition to my profit there. So I'm still on the right path, and I think I will trade it. I will put a trade down. Let's see. Okay, that's the trade, and let's see if the trade will go down, and let's analyze the market carefully. You can see it is still falling. That is one way to analyze the market. It is still falling, and probably you can see our account there. It has changed. Yes, it has changed because we've made some few profits. You could see that it will keep falling till it gets to a very good support line, then it will bounce back. But the market for some time has been bearish, so let's wait. Number of trade we've opened is 1, and our profit there is that's good, very good. It has come. We've won that trade. You could see there, analyzing the market properly has given us good profit. Now we'll place one more last trade to make our profit to be a total of $10. The market is still falling, and to some extent it hasn't gotten to a good support line that will bring a bouncing back of the market. So let's see. I think we will take our trade downward before the market bounces back. That is it. We've done our last trade for the day. So a profit of $4, another profit of $4, and a profit of $2 gives you a total of $10. And that is what is our target for today's binary trading. So let's see and watch, and you can see the market is already in our favor already. We have less than 14 seconds as we await our result. Okay, you can see the market is still falling. You can see, and that is it, guys. We've won that trade. So we'll stop here today. We've made our target, which is $10. So making profits on binary is very, very easy if your target is very, very small. So if you keep your target very small, it is easy for you to achieve. And you can see our profit there, our live account, it has increased from $250 to $260. So that is it, guys.